Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming two essentials: a working network connection and correct device date/time. Both matter for authentication tokens. Next, open your Google sign-in page and enter your credentials. When prompted, select the Stay Signed In checkbox or toggle. This tells Google to issue a persistent session cookie. Once done, make sure to skip private or guest browser modes. Those clear cookies automatically, which prevents staying signed in. Now move to Configure Browser and Account Settings for persistence. You must let your browser keep cookies. Go into Settings and allow cookies for Google domains so the session token persists. Then, disable any extension or setting that clears cookies on exit. Many privacy add-ons do this automatically. Also, avoid using incognito or guest windows because they delete session data when closed. Finally, open your Google Account Security section to confirm device recognition and session durations. Make sure you approve your current device so Google treats it as trusted. Finish by reviewing devices under security and remove any old sessions. This reduces conflicts that can force reauthentication. Enable two-step verification to improve security and create app passwords if needed for older apps. This prevents unexpected sign-outs. If you still get signed out, clear cookies for Google domains, then sign in again and re-enable Stay Signed In. Also inspect browser extensions for cookie managers or privacy tools. One quick troubleshooting tip: try a different browser to isolate whether.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.